Soundstripe.
Hi, I'm Andrew Sinclair, the sculptor behind the concept of the Sculptor School. I set up the school with my partner Diane in the beautiful county of Devon in England. And I think what makes us unique is that I'm a practicing sculptor. I want to share with you the really up-to-date practices that myself and my team perform in the workshop. So we're directly giving you workshop practice, how to sculpt, and every aspect of sculpture really, so that you can improve your talent and make your skills come on in an exponential way. I do this through a process that I've coined the Sinclair method, and basically it's a way of looking at anatomy. What I'm doing is breaking anatomy down into its component parts, I suppose you could call it. That is proportion, energy curves, dynamic curves, symmetry, rhythm, vital proportional features, the essential 34 muscles, which interestingly come quite late in this actual process. How those muscles work together as a group, which I call design criteria, and critically, which runs across all the courses, how to measure well. Collectively, these inspire you, or I hope these inspire you to become the very best that you can be, and in doing so, have tremendous fun here with us at the school.